I'm Ali from ALTA Racks. I am the designer, the inventor, and a co-owner of ALTA Racks rack company. We're based out of Salt Lake City, Utah, and we build 100% of our products in Utah. So we're proud to be an American-made product. What I have here today for you is the ALTA 6 GPR. ALTA 6 is based on a military lingo of like SEAL Team 6 and Special Forces, based on being tactical, versatile, and adaptable. The GPR stands for General Purpose Rack. It's a rack that can convert to different sports. It's a basic structure that adapts to different features and capabilities. This is the bike configuration. As you see, the first bike we have here is a 5-inch tire fat bike. As you can see, we provide 3 different basket sizes. We have fat baskets. We have standard baskets that go to 2.8-inch tires, including all road bikes. And then we have mid-fats that fit your oversized and 4-inch tire, up to 4-inch tires. All of these fit between 20 and 29-inch rims and are fully adjustable for your pedal and handlebar clearances. If you wanted to clear a handlebar, you're touching the next bike, you just move it. What's so great about this rack is a lack of contact to the frame of the bike itself from the bikes or the rack. So it's all rubber interface. Prices of bikes going through the roof, and the resale value drops dramatically when racks scratch bikes. We all know that. You could easily lose about $1,000 in a year just scratching the bike from using a bad rack. Next, we have the accessory. The best accessory about this rack is really the stand. It allows you to store this in the garage or in the shop for display and put 6 bikes on it and wheel it around. It's fully mobile with wheels, locking casters right on the rack, on the stand itself, and it's great in the garages. It's going to save you a lot of space. This is the easiest way to store 6 bikes and in the smallest footprint possible. So what we also provide is the repair stand. This is third-party repair stand. We build an interface for the repair stand to mount right on the rack. This is a tactical system. It's not something that's going to be rehauling of your entire bike, but if you got to change a spare tire, you got to mess with your brakes, you got to do a couple of quick adjustments, this is going to come in handy, real handy at the trailhead. We also build and develop interfaces for anything roof mount. As you can see here, this is a mount system that allows you to attach any kind of roof rack, such as ski and snowboard carriers. This is on the bottom just for display. The way you would use this, you would put it on top without the baskets, and you would put 2 across, and then in the winter you use that for ski and snowboarding. And you can basically put anything that's a roof rack from the other vendors that provide that. This rack is designed to off-road. As you can see, this got like the end cap tie downs, and these are for tie down points right into the hitch and receiver. If you're going on rough roads, we don't void your warranty. This rack is designed to do that. We tie down the rack, and it takes out any kind of side-to-side sway and flex out of the rack, and it makes it part of the vehicle and allows movement to be in sync with the vehicle frame as you're off-roading. It has a nice rise where if you have even dips in the roads for lower vehicles, you can easily clear that dip. It has a offset for tailgates where for your truck or your SUVs, you can easily drop tailgates. This is with the rack up and get that access right into the back, so the rack never interferes with your access to the rear of the vehicle. We have a anti-sway plate, external anti-sway plate that tightens the rack, and it takes out any kind of play out of the rack itself. It allows to have a very stiff platform and a very reliable platform to carry your bikes with. You can see here some of the future products we're working on. We have a workstation table that's going to stow on the rack with the bikes and easily allow for a camping style, super heavy duty. You could easily put a heavy grill or a cooler on there, or use it as a workstation if you have a mobile shop or anything like that. Other products that we're doing right now is a modular hammock. We basically have a stand that comes out 10 feet, and then you get a hammock. And this is pretty cool. We think it's pretty cool, especially if you're in the shows. And I think these guys think it's pretty cool too. Yeah, so Again, my name is Ali. My company is ALTA Racks. Appreciate you watching this video, and Demo Days rocks.